Let's watch the video.
What's it about?
It's about the wet season in Vietnam.
Wow! I wonder what it's like to live in Vietnam in the wet season.
I think it's very, very wet. You need a good raincoat.
That's true. Let's watch the video to find out more.
Great.
This is Vietnam. It's a country in Asia. In Vietnam, there are beaches, fields and mountains, villages, and cities. In the north of Vietnam, there are 4 seasons in a year. The seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam. In Hanoi, you can see pink flowers on the trees in spring. In autumn, you can see the beautiful colors of the leaves. Did you know, in Vietnam, it's sometimes snowy in winter. In a town called Sapa, it's often snowy in December. The temperature can be minus 10 degrees Celsius. That's very, very cold. The south of Vietnam isn't as cold as the north of Vietnam. In the south of Vietnam, there are only 2 seasons. There's the dry season and the wet season. The dry season is from November to May. It's hot in this season. It's usually about 27 degrees Celsius. The wet season is wet. It's from May to November. It rains for about an hour most days, and there is a lot of rain. It's as wet as having a shower in your bathroom. When you can see dark clouds in the sky, it's going to rain soon. That's a good time to go indoors. But many Vietnamese people don't go indoors. They put on a raincoat, or they use an umbrella, and they do normal things. They get on a bus or a motorbike and they go shopping. The rain doesn't stop them. For farmers in Vietnam, the wet season is very important for their plants. Everything outdoors becomes green in the wet season. Some Vietnamese people grow vegetables and a lot of rice. The rice fields need sun, but they also need a lot of water. The rain helps the rice plants to grow. Vietnam is a beautiful country in every season.
That was really interesting. Vietnam is a beautiful country when it's sunny and when it's rainy.
And life in the wet season in Vietnam is so interesting.
In my country, we have 4 seasons in a year.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I like warm weather. How about you?
I like autumn. I like the colors of the leaves and the trees.